To get iOS Launcher on Samsung Galaxy A07, we're going to start by opening Google Play Store on our device. Now we need to go for search and find apps with iOS Launcher. From here, you will need to select the specific iOS launcher that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to go for iOS 26. Now we can install this app. It won't take long, just a few moments. It's only 8 megabytes, not gigabytes. When it's ready, we'll be able to open it, and then we should have an option that allows us to set it as default. If not, I will show you that at the end as well. So nope, we didn't get the option. So to activate our iOS launcher, we'll need to open the settings on our device, navigate down to the apps section, and I think I missed the apps. Nope, I didn't. So the apps are right here. Then go to the default options for default apps. Now select the home app and go with iOS launcher. That way you'll be able to change your phone to the iOS. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.